Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Ready to feast your eyes on some of the most picturesque towns in America? We're talking about places that make you want to grab a paintbrush and channel your inner Bob Ross, from Charleston's cobblestone streets to Sedona's red rocks. Soak in Colorado's mountain vibes and get ready to be amazed by these picture-perfect American towns. Stick around, you might find your next dream vacation spot. Let's dive in. Let's dive. We're heading down south to Charleston, South Carolina, a city that's like stepping back in time. Stroll down cobblestone streets lined with pastel-colored historic homes, their balconies adorned with flowers. Hear the clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages and smell the magnolia blossoms. Visit Rainbow Row and indulge in delicious Southern cuisine. Trust me, the shrimp and grits are to die for. Next, we're off to Sedona, Arizona, where the landscape looks like it was painted by a higher power. Seriously, those towering red rock formations are something else. It's also a haven for artists and spiritual seekers. And if you're feeling adventurous, try a pink Jeep tour. Now let's head up north to Bar Harbor, Maine, a charming coastal town that's basically a postcard come to life. Think rugged cliffs overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, quaint shops selling lobster-themed souvenirs, and the freshest seafood you'll ever taste. Bar Harbor is the gateway to Acadia National Park, home to stunning hiking trails, scenic drives, and breathtaking ocean views. And if you're a fan of lighthouses, and really, who isn't? You're in luck. Bar Harbor has several beauties, including the iconic Bass Harbor Headlight. Next up, we're hitting the slopes, well, not literally, but we are heading to Aspen, Colorado. This world-renowned ski destination is known for its challenging runs, luxurious accommodations, and celebrity sightings. But even if you're not a skier, Aspen has plenty to offer. In the summer, you can enjoy hiking, biking, and rafting amidst the stunning mountain scenery. And let's not forget about the shopping. Aspen is home to designer boutiques galore, so bring your credit cards and your sense of style. Now, let's mosey on down to Savannah, Georgia, a city that's as charming as a mint julep on a hot summer day. Savannah is famous for its historic squares, each one a little oasis of greenery and beauty. You'll feel like you've stepped onto the set of Gone with the Wind as you stroll past antebellum mansions draped in Spanish moss. And speaking of moss, be sure to visit Bonaventure Cemetery, a hauntingly beautiful place that will leave you breathless. Hopefully not literally, though. Get ready for some serious cuteness overload because we're heading to Carmel by the Sea, California. This charming town is known for its storybook cottages, art galleries, and stunning coastline. You'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale as you wander down streets lined with whimsical houses covered in flowers. And don't forget to bring your furry friend. Carmel is incredibly dog-friendly, so your pup can enjoy the scenery right alongside you. Next, we're off to Taos, New Mexico, a town that's rich in history, art, and culture. Taos is known for its unique adobe architecture, which blends seamlessly with the surrounding desert landscape. You'll find art galleries showcasing the works of local and internationally renowned artists, as well as museums dedicated to the history and heritage of the region. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a drive to the Rio Grande Gorge Bridge for some breathtaking views. Finally, we're setting sail for Newport, Rhode Island, a town that's synonymous with sailing, mansions, and a touch of Gilded Age glamour. You can practically picture Jay Gatsby himself strolling down the Cliff Walk, a scenic path that offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and Newport's famous mansions. And speaking of mansions, be sure to take a tour of one of these architectural marvels. You'll be amazed by the opulence and grandeur of a bygone era. So there you have it, folks. 8 towns that are so picturesque they could be straight out of a postcard. Which one are you adding to your travel bucket list? Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. See you next time.